मछली।
Then
धोबी आया, धोबी आया, कपड़े साफ, कपड़े साफ। कितने कपड़े लाए, कितने कपड़े लाए? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 10। बस बस बस।
very good, Hasni. Very nice. Okay, I'll show you the animals. Tell me the animal name. Okay.
नमस्ते मैम।
Namaste, Nukshita.
नमस्ते। अपा ऊंट, कैमल, कैट, बिल्ली, कुत्ता, डॉग, शेर, लायन, खरगोश, रैबिट।
Very good. Thank you, Hasni. Next, Rohita. Ready?
Yes, ma'am. Much चल के रहे तो भी आई अंदर.
Rohita, see, listen, Rohita, properly, without laughing. I want you to sing any two rhyme which you know. Okay?
Okay. Loudly.
Okay. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, Vidyut.
Okay.
मच की जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। आप खाब दो जल की बाजल, बाजल निकाल दो मजा की।
Then,
नहीं कुछ दो भी आया.
धोबी आया, कपड़े साफ। कितने कपड़े लाएगा, कितने कपड़े लाएगा? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
सात
8 9 10 10 बस।
very good. It's assessment. Ask your mom to not help you.
She confused, ma'am.
No, let her say what she's telling in the proper order. Ma'am. Please don't help her.
Okay, ma'am. Next.
Yeah.
Cha.
Good, Rohita.
Another right? Kanyakutte.
Next.
Prepare yoga tali.
train.
Okay, Rohita, I'll show you the animals. Tell me the animal name, okay?
Okay.
Confuse aako. No prepare aaya. Confuse aako. What is this?
खरगोश,
Very good. Very good.
शेर, लायन,
Very good.
कैपली,
No.
What?
English lo emantaru dog.
कुत्ता,
Very good.
कैपली, camel, goat,
Properly.
camel, goat.
Okay, Rohita.
Right.
Good.
Maane
Next,
karta.
Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing the rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
What rhyme you going to sing?
पानी है, जीवा उसका पानी है। आँखों का तो कचर की, निकाल तो मचर की।
Then.
धोबी आया, कपड़े साफ। किने कपड़े लाए? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 बस।
Good, Nukshita. I'll show you the animals. Tell me the animal name, okay?
Okay, ma'am. One. बिल्ली, कुत्ता, शेर, खरगोश।
Perfect. Perfect, Nukshita. Okay. Good. Vidyut.
Ma'am.
Right. पढ़े
बिल्ली
मछली
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ डाली तो डर जाएगी, वहाँ निकले तो मर जाएगी।
ओके वन मोर
धोबी आया, धोबी आया, धोबी आया, धोबी आया, कपड़े साफ, कितने कपड़े लाया,
पढ़े कितने
कपड़े लाया, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
Good, very good. Okay, I'll show you the animals. Tell me the animal names in Hindi, okay? Onnoku.
Goat,
Very good.
शेर, कुत्ता, बिल्ली,
What is this? Oon. Okay. Good, Vidyut. Very good. What about Naitik? He didn't jump.
धन्यवाद मैम।
Dhanyavad, Vidyut. Okay, I think Naitik hasn't joined. We'll start the test. Assessment, Hindi assessment. All the best children will do. Okay? Umama will send us the link in the chat. We'll start writing. Ready to write? Yes, show me thumbs up for everybody. All the 4 of you. Rohita, where are you? Hiding. Good, Hasni. Yes. Okay, ma'am has sent the link. Can you all click the link? Write your name. So the first 10 questions will be finding the after letter. Okay. So if you have doubts, write in your paper. Add to AHA if you don't know to say it by oral. So we are going to find the after letter for each letters. Okay. Shall we start? Everybody wrote your name. If yes, please show me thumbs up. Hasni has written her name. Okay. Rohita wrote your name. Yes, Rohita has written. Vidyut, Nukshita. Oh, okay. Okay. So first, find the next letter of what is next to say it. If you forgot, say it from e like that. Say it and find out what is the next letter to what is the next letter to click that. Second question, find the next letter to ow. Say like that and find out what is the next letter to ow. Is it O or After O, it is or O. Third question. Find the next letter to oo. After oo, we'll have oo or r. After oo, we'll have oo or r. Are you all with me? Yes, shall we move to the fourth question? Okay. Find the next letter to E. Find the next letter to E. It's E or A. After E, it is E or A. What is that? Now we are going to match the objects. What? Look at the picture. What is starting letter for that? E or O? What is that? First say that. Find the starting letter E or O. Is it E? Say E or O? Say E. What is that? Find out. Seventh one, you know this. What is starting letter for this? R or A? R or A? It's Rohita's favorite, right? Always she'll get that picture only. If you have completed, you can leave.
I'm actually finished, ma'am.
Very good, Hasini. Eighth one. Look at the picture. Starting with this A or I. A or I. Ninth one. Medicines are there. Is it O or A? Please wait. Others are writing. You cannot shout like this and disturb us. Please wait, Nakshita. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Next one. Grapes. Or or F. Just starting letter. 11th one. One. Egg. A or A? 12th one. E or O? E or O?
Finished, ma'am.
Next, mango. A or A? A or A? Next one. O or A? Oakley. O or A? Last one. Bird. Owl. U or O? Nukshita, Hasni finished very fast. Rohita finished? Oh wow, Rohita. Vidyut finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, Vidyut. Did you all check your answers, whatever you wrote? Yes. Hasni, was the test difficult or easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy? You finished everything?
So easy. It's so easy.
Rohita అయితే enjoyed, ma'am.
Very nice, Rohita. Happy to hear that. Thank you. Okay, if you all clicked on submit.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, did you all click on? Okay, very good. So the test is over. So now tell me, Hindi exam is over, right? Enough of reading. Now, Hasni, tell me. After this, you are going to have lot of days, holidays. Now, what are you going to do?
Class.
Class? No, you're going to have class only in month of June, I believe.
I do no class.
No class. So what will you do? You'll get bored, right?
Grandpa.
You're going to go to your grandpa's house. Who is there in your grandpa's house?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is there? Yarika.
I want a cousin sister.
You have a cousin sister. You're going to play with her.
Yes.
Okay. Now what? You're in junior KG. So now what class you're going to go after junior KG?
Senior KG.
KG. So which school you're going to go? Kidzi or some other school?
Kidzi.
You're going to come to Kidzi.
Yes.
Okay. I'll meet you there when you're in senior KG.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best, Hasni. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.
Rohita. Chocolate, Rohita. Good girl, Rohita.
Just kidding.
Okay. చెప్పండి. Yes, ma'am. చెప్పు.
Yes, ma'am.
The test was easy or was it difficult?
In the exam easy or difficult అన్నారు చెప్పు.
Easy.
Easy.
So enjoyed, ma'am.
So you're having to have lot of holidays. Now what are you going to do, Rohita? You're going to go to your grandma's house?
చెప్పు మ్యామ్.
I go to my grandma's house.
Grandma house. Okay.
And she watching full time mobile.
You're watching mobile.
I always like mobile.
చెప్పు మ్యామ్
Rohita, you are having power in your eyes, no? Do you have powers in your eyes?
చెప్పు మ్యామ్ విను మరే మ్యామ్ షీ నైట్ 12 వరకు షీ వాచింగ్ మొబైల్ మ్యామ్.
My God, Rohita, you're a strong girl. If you watch mobile, you will not be strong. You'll be very weak.
ఓకే మ్యామ్ చెప్పు మ్యామ్ టుడే లాస్ట్ డే కదమ్మా.
For Hindi class, I think today is the last day.
అమ్మ హిందీ క్లాస్ లాస్ట్ డే అంట. టుమారో డోంట్ హ్యావ్ హిందీ క్లాస్ డే ఆఫ్టర్ టుమారో.
I will not meet Rohita. I'll miss you, Rohita.
అమ్మ నేను మిస్ అవుతారంట మ్యామ్. ఓకేలే నువ్వు మొబైల్ చూడవు నేను మ్యామ్కి
Okay,
చెప్పను.
Rohita. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best, Rohita.
ఓకే ధన్యవాద్ గురించి చెప్పు బాయ్ చెప్పు. వీడియో చూద్ది కానీ యూట్యూబ్ చూద్ది కానీ సారీ ధన్యవాద్ గురించి చెప్పు మరి.
You're a good girl, right? See, your friends are watching you. Say bye. Thank you.
ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ షీ వాచ్.
That's okay, ma'am. That's okay. Bye.
ధన్యవాద్ మ్యామ్.
Dhanyawad.
ధన్యవాద్ గురించి చెప్పు. ధన్యవాద్
Why did you start, Nukshita?
మొబైల్ ఏమైనా అంతే. ధన్యవాద్ గురించి చెప్పు. ధన్యవాద్ గురించి చెప్పు. ఏం వీడియో పెడతాను. ధన్యవాద్ గురించి
You
చెప్పు.
wrote your test well. Nice test,
ధన్యవాద్ గురించి
Nukshita.
చెప్పు.
Thank you, ma'am.
You wrote your test well, Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, senior KG, you're going to come to Kidzi.
క్లాస్ పెట్టేద్దాం.